Let's do a bag haul. These are all from the app that shall not be named, so shh. You guys know the Lululemon jackets are my uniform for this page, and I just got this new color with the gold zipper. What do we think? Literally, it was on sale too. It was only like 99 compared to like the 128. So if it's still in stock, definitely go get it because I'm obsessed with this color. This bag is from this brand, and this one is so good. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. It is that new shoulder bag in the Croc embossed leather. Now, I don't know if this is real or faux. It kind of gives me faux leather just by how like shiny it is, you know? The construction and quality otherwise is literally amazing. The gold is perfect. It's like a good classic shade of gold. And the size is just, if you need a work or school bag, I don't think this can fit a laptop, but it can definitely fit an iPad. There's a zipper pocket on the inside. You get your flat pocket in here with the pockets on the inside as well. Next bag is a similar vibe. It's a vanity bag in like a snake print embossed leather. This one's actually real leather. Quality of this one is actually insane. Look at that. Such a cute bag. Comes with the crossbody strap as well, and these bags are so cute to just throw on and leave the house. They're really good errand bags. You can take off the crossbody strap too if you just want to hold it as a little purse. Here's how it looks on the inside. So you can't carry much, just a couple cards, keys, AirPods, and your phone. So if that's all you need on a night out, then this one's perfect. This bag is also a vanity bag, but this one is like a bright red caviar. So cute. This one feels like real leather. I think it looks freaking fab, and this color for summer, I love a pop of color with an outfit, like jeans and a white t-shirt, and this makes the outfit, babe. Comes with a crossbody strap that you can remove as well, and the inside is really good quality too. So yeah, these come in a bunch of different colors. But next we have another vanity bag, surprise, but this one is the one that comes with the mirror. So cute. This butter yellow. I will say the quality of this one's not my favorite, so I definitely have some link that I like better, so just keep that in mind. This one is the one that comes with the adjustable ball, and the other ones I have linked don't. So if that's your vibe, then this is good enough for that. Bronzy gold hardware, the mirror, and then this how the inside looks. And adjust the ball to be whatever length you want. So yeah, really cute. Loving it with my purple Lulu set right now. Okay, last bag from this brand at least. This one is a caviar classic flap, 25 centimeters in this baby pink with silver hardware. Now this type of bag I've been getting recently, and I don't love the shape of this specific one. Love the quality, but the shape is just a little off. The shade of pink, love pink and silver together. I think they go really well. What you see is what you get with me, okay? But yeah, really cute. Love the color. I need to get one for myself. Next bag is from this brand, and this is a new Denma style. It is the monogram canvas shoulder bag. It's a little squished because it was in the box, so just ignore that. But I love the shape of it. It's so classic, so clean, looks vintage. I'm in love with the little plaque right there. I think it's so classic. Has a zipper pocket and the logo, but it's really good quality on the inside. Like the lining looks great, and I love that it's blue. It's just so unique and different. Last but not least, we have a bag from this brand, and this is a classic. It's like this boxy Croc embossed bag, really great quality, has a pocket on the back. This one's real leather as well, and it's so like, it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like cardboard or anything. Perfect for just like an everyday purse if you're more into this kind of style. Come in a bunch of different colors, and it's just a really good like boss lady bag. Well, that was everything I had to show you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.